Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Forza Horizon 5. Press menu to pause and open settings now. Once done, move directly to the accessibility section. This is where speech features live. Make sure you don't change other profile settings. Stay focused on in-game options so you can change the text-to-speech control without affecting controls or graphics. You'll see a labeled text-to-speech or narration switch. Select it and toggle it off. You do this because the game forwards chat and prompts into audio when enabled. After switching, make sure to hit apply or save so the change persists. If there's a confirm prompt, accept it. Otherwise, navigate back one step to ensure the toggle stayed off. Finish by closing settings and resuming play. Join a quick event to confirm no speech plays. If TTS still triggers, quit FH5 fully and relaunch. Many options require a restart to stop running services. If that fails, make sure system-level narration, Xbox accessibility or Windows narrator, and any streaming overlays are off, since those can inject speech even after the in-game toggle is disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.